In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Keybank credit card account. Whether you're a new customer or just need a little help finding your way around, we'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can access your account with ease. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Make sure your internet connection is stable, as this will help avoid any interruptions during the process. Once you're online, type Keybank into your search engine. You should see the official Keybank website popping up. Click to visit the website, which will bring you to their homepage. Once you're on the Keybank homepage, look for the option that says Open an Account. It's usually placed prominently so users can easily find it. Clicking this will redirect you to a section where you can manage various types of accounts with Keybank. From here, navigate to the Credit Cards option. Selecting this will direct you to a page that details all the credit card services that Keybank offers, including the ability for customers to apply for a new card or manage their existing accounts. Next, you'll want to click on Apply Now. Clicking this option is more than just for applications, it helps existing customers too, as it brings you closer to setting up your online access. After clicking Apply Now, you may be asked to confirm certain details. You will be presented with a choice to click Yes. This might appear to address whether you already have an account or if you're accepted certain terms. To continue, you'll find another Apply Now button. It may seem repetitive, but confirming the application process in multiple steps is Keybank's way of ensuring that all customers are making informed choices and not accidentally submitting an application without realizing it. Now, you should see a friendly prompt that says, "Let's go." Clicking this will propel you into Keybank's secure online banking enrollment page. If you've never logged into your account online before, this is where you'll need to register for online access to your credit card. So, find and click on the Enroll in Online Banking label to proceed. In the enrollment section, select My Personal Account. This ensures that the information and setup reflect a personal banking user's needs, as opposed to a business account. Continue by clicking Next. This will guide you through the personal verification and information submission process. These steps are necessary to create a secure online account for you. Lastly, you might notice options labeled with highlight. These are the areas you're required to review or update. Just click on them as necessary to ensure all your personal information is correct. Once all of these steps are completed, you should be all set up to log into your Keybank credit card account online. Having online access to your credit card enables you to monitor transactions, pay bills, and manage your account efficiently from the comfort of your home. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process, so next time you'll be able to go straight to that login without any trouble. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.